Hey guys, here's another quick how-to video to show you some grill inserts I bought off of Amazon. And I'll put a link in the description, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop the grill off and show you these grill inserts, and should be a pretty quick activity. So these are the grill inserts that I bought off of Amazon, and they're pretty simple. Piece of plastic and some 3M tape that goes all the way around. You just peel the tape off and stick them into the slot. Now you can see I've got Christmas decorations and a winch on the grill or in front of the grill, so I'm going to actually take my grill off to install these things. But if you've got a clean access to the front of your grill, you don't need to take them off at all, because you just peel the tape off and push them in. Now these ones are direction specific, so if you try to put them in upside down, it just won't go in. But flip them over, slides in, piece of cake, tape holds it in place. You can see that I had put some gutter grill or gutter guard here in the back side of the grill that I also need to take off. So it's another reason to take the grill itself off to get that out of there. But that was a do it free mod I did a number of years ago. But these $20 inserts here off Amazon are going to make it look so much nicer. So we'll go ahead and show you that in a minute. And I'm not going to show you how to take the grill off, but I'll put a link in the description. It's a really simple process. All right, so I've got the grill off, and this is what it looks like with the gutter guard in front of it, or on the back of it. But you can see that the tie blocks that I use, most of them have come off, and it's not really being held on by all that much. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all this stuff, clean it up a bit, and then have a nice clean grill front to go ahead and put the inserts into. Some of the inserts I've seen out there have clips on the back to hold into the grill instead of using this 3M tape, but I'm not sure what kind of quality those are. But this particular one is, the plastic is really thick, it's tough. It's really not gonna break, I don't think, unless something really hard hits it. But the drawback could be that it's taped in place with this 3M tape. And I have a feeling that if I ever want to take these out, it's gonna be a real challenge. So if you're looking at using these particular inserts, you should probably consider it a permanent modification and be ready for that. But since they're stick-on tape, there's no directions that came with these. I just went ahead, washed it with soap and water, washed the grill, but then took some alcohol and really rubbed down the area here inside where the inserts are gonna go. So that way the tape has a good place to stick. And really it's gonna be right here along the corners that it's sticking down. But after that, it's just gonna be peel and stick. So I'm gonna give one of these a shot and we'll show you what it looks like. They obviously put some time and thought into putting the tape on the back. It's really nicely done. The backing comes off really easily once it's a little bit of thumbnail or fingernail work to get it started, but then it comes off really easily. Once you get all the tape off, then it's a piece of cake. You just go ahead and set it in. There's really only one way it can go. Once you get it going in the correct direction, and just give it a firm press, and you're done. And just repeat that for every slot. And that's the last one. So really easy to do. It took me maybe 10, maybe 15 minutes for all 7 inserts. Most of that's taking the tape off and then filming the video. So super easy install. I think it looks great. Good quality product. I think the plastic's gonna stand up. Looks like it's held down pretty well. I'll update the description or make a comment if I start having issues with the tape not sticking, or, I live in Texas, so Texas sun, what's it gonna do to this plastic? We'll have to see how it holds up, and I'll keep you guys updated with that. But only the step that's left is to put this back on the Jeep, put those Christmas lights back on, and call it a day. So it's all put back together. Here's what it looks like. I think it turned out great. Took me maybe 30 minutes total. That includes taking the grill off, putting it back on. Way better looking than the gutter guard I had in there before. I don't know what time of year it'll be when you watch this, but it doesn't really matter. I'll still wish you a very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, And if you have any thoughts, comments, whatever you want, go ahead and put them in the comments below. And I'll put a link in the description to the inserts that I just installed. Y'all take care, wheel safely.